In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Outlook Calendar. We'll connect your Trello board to your Microsoft account using a power-up so your work and schedule stay aligned. Make sure you're on a Trello board where you have permission to manage power-ups. Start on your board and open the Power-Ups area. You'll find the Power-Ups icon near the top of the board. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the option clearly. This is where Trello lets you add extra functionality to your board. Next, choose Add Power-Ups. This opens Trello's directory of integrations and tools. Think of it as an app store for your board where you can search and enable features that connect Trello to the other services you use every day. In the search bar, type Outlook. This filters the results to anything related to Microsoft Outlook. Give it a moment to load, and you should see a list of Outlook-related options. From the results, select Outlook Mail Tracker by Krill Solutions. This power-up bridges Trello with your Microsoft Outlook environment so the two services can share relevant data. If you want, glance at the description to confirm it matches your needs and note any limitations or plan requirements before continuing. Click Add to add the power-up to your board. Trello will attach it to this specific board and you'll see new options appear for setup. If prompted, confirm that you want to proceed. Now, click the option that says Click to authorize Outlook. You'll be redirected to sign in with your Microsoft account. Choose the account you use for your calendar, review the permissions requested, and approve them. Granting the correct permissions ensures your calendar-related data can be accessed safely and shown where you need it in Trello. After that, click to authorize Trello. This gives the power-up permission to interact with your Trello board. Review the access it requests, typically the ability to read and update cards, and confirm. This step links the power-up to your workspace so actions can flow between Trello and Outlook. Finally, select Enable Trial Now. Many power-ups start with a trial period so you can validate the integration in your workflow. Enabling the trial activates the connection and unlocks the features so data can begin syncing. If anything doesn't appear immediately, give it a minute. Initial authorizations can take a short while to complete. That's it. Your Trello board is now connected through the Outlook integration you just enabled. From here, you can manage your work in Trello while keeping it coordinated with your Outlook schedule, reducing manual updates and helping you stay on top of deadlines.